In gardening, we often chase new solutions, but sometimes the best answers are ancient. Rice water fertilizer, especially when fermented, is one such secret, used by the Amish for generations. What makes it special? Lactic acid bacteria. These invisible helpers, also found in yogurt and sourdough, break down organic matter in the soil, making nutrients more available to plants. Think of them as tiny chefs preparing a feast for your garden. They also crowd out harmful bacteria, protecting your plants from disease. Lactic acid bacteria improve soil structure, helping it hold water and air, vital for healthy roots. This isn't a new invention, it's nature's way, refined by tradition. By making rice water fertilizer, we're simply copying what nature does best. It's a simple, natural way to build a strong foundation for your garden. Healthy soil means healthy plants, from herbs to oaks. This old Amish tradition reminds us, gardening is about nurturing the living soil, not just planting seeds. It's a lesson in working with nature, not against it. Sometimes, the oldest secrets are the most powerful. Let's see how you can make this living fertilizer at home. Making this fertilizer is easy. You'll need uncooked rice, water, and milk. First, make a rice wash. Shake 1 part rice with 2 parts water until the water turns cloudy. Strain out the rice, keeping the cloudy water in a jar. Cover with cloth and let it ferment in a dark place for 5 to 7 days, until it smells slightly sour. This is your microbial starter. Next, pour the fermented rice water into a larger jar and add 10 parts milk for every part rice water. Cover and let it sit another week. The mixture will separate. Curds on top, yellowish whey below. Strain off the curds, add them to compost, and keep the liquid whey. This whey is packed with lactic acid bacteria, your living fertilizer. Store it in a clean jar. It's a simple, satisfying process that turns kitchen scraps into a powerful garden elixir. Now, let's put your liquid gold to work. You've just made a centuries-old secret with your own hands. Your lactic acid bacteria serum is potent. Always dilute it. Mix 1 part serum with 20 parts water. Use rainwater or dechlorinated tap water for best results. Apply as a soil drench around plant bases every 2 to 4 weeks. The microbes will enrich your soil, making nutrients more available and improving structure. You can also use it as a foliar spray. Mist diluted serum onto leaves in the early morning or evening. This helps protect against diseases like powdery mildew. Over time, you'll notice healthier, more resilient plants and richer soil. Fruits and vegetables grown this way often taste better too. This isn't a quick fix, it's about building long-term soil health. Regular use creates a thriving, sustainable garden ecosystem. Feed your soil, and your soil will feed your plants. It's a gentle, effective way to care for your garden. A few tips to avoid mistakes. Never seal jars tightly during fermentation. Gases need to escape, or jars can burst. Always use a breathable cover like cloth. Don't use the serum undiluted, it's too strong and can harm plants. Stick to the 1:20 dilution ratio. Use chlorine-free water. Let tap water sit out for 24 hours, or use rainwater. Ingredient quality matters for healthy microbes. If your first batch isn't perfect, don't worry. Fermentation can vary. Embrace the process and learn as you go. By using this method, you're not just fertilizing, you're building a living, resilient garden. This connection to tradition is deeply rewarding. With patience, you'll see a more beautiful, bountiful garden. Trust the old ways. They work.